Good afternoon, subscribers and our guests. We're continuing our segment. The chef is going to teach us something today. Oh, look at that beauty. What a symphony. I can only imagine how many men are going to watch our video today. So, the slower the pork roasts, the more delicious it turns out. That's why we recommend not setting the roasting temperature above 160 degrees.
And allowing about an hour per kilogram of ham at a minimum.
So a 2-kilogram piece will roast for 2 hours. If the pork starts to burn during cooking, cover it with foil. Don't forget to check on it from time to time and baste the meat with the juices and fat that collect in the roasting pan. It should become very tender and fall right off the bone. A crispy, fragrant, deep golden brown crust will let you know it's fully cooked. Don't throw away the leftover marinade, strain it, add a little orange zest and a couple of tablespoons of honey. Then reduce it until thick.
And there's your glaze.
Voila. When there are at least 15 minutes left, raise the oven temperature to 230 to 240 degrees. Generously coat the ham in the glaze and keep roasting, turning and brushing it for the remaining time to get that gorgeous, appetizing shine. Ham is a very hearty dish, so it pairs wonderfully with a simple green salad, grilled vegetables, or baked apple.
For a heartier side, nothing beats braised sauerkraut or rustic country-style potato.
And you can squeeze some roasted garlic into the potatoes and toss in a couple of pickled tomatoes. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves and stay with us. It'll be useful and wonderful.